guys, welcome back to Madison Riley's World. I know it's been a while since I did a video, but life is lifing and I've been busy, okay? So today we're gonna do a toy review. Are you ready to see? Here we go. I got the new Lele doll with her wardrobe and everything. You see this? This is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna call my mom so she can help me open it. Mom! So here she is, guys. Isn't she adorable? And look, she has color in her hair like mine. I love her shoes. They're so cute. How they're like different colors, I like that. And plus it has stars on this one, on the green one. See? And this is her wardrobe. It has so many different outfits. Let me show you one of them. She has this cool, pretty unicorn shirt, and it says Lele on it, on the chain. It is so cute. And it's glittery too. Let me show you the other one. And these are her shorts, her white, pretty glittery shorts. And let me show you her headphones. They are so cute. Look at these. Look at this. Look at these headphones. They're purple right here, and it has the crown part. And next is the hair clips. These are her hair clips, and it's purple, and it says Lele on it, of course. And this is like a little hair pick to like comb her hair out. And this is her shoebox. This is so adorable. I wonder if it actually opens. And her necklace says Lele on it again. And also her other pair of shoes. They're the same, but they're black and this part right here is blue. See? So cute. And next is her earrings. Look at this. This is so cute. And it says Lele on it again. And her very, very cute tiny pink microphone. It is so cute. How? Ow! Ow! It is so cute. Oh, uh-oh. I almost made the earrings fall. See? And also her long pants. And also her other shirt with her cool jacket. And also her cute yellow skirt. Isn't this cute? And also this pretty shirt with another shirt under it. And all this stuff is very cute. I don't know how they made this, but they did a good job. But mostly, I like her hair. It's really pretty. It has purple and blue in it. And her pretty skirt. And her nice jacket. And her other shirt. Is she cute? And guys, you can order this online at Walmart. So get it right now. She's so cute. Do, 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 do. Yeah. She's gonna sing. Yeah, 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 yeah. She's so pretty. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Bye!